Have you ever scrolled online and felt that pang? You see those posts about 7 streams of income, the glamorous life of the side hustle CEO, and you think, that's it. That's my path to real security, to freedom. So you try. You drive for a ride share after work, you start a blog, maybe you look into drop shipping. You're working so hard, but you're just exhausted. The promised streams, they feel like frustrating drips, and you're left wondering, is this really it? Am I missing something? Let me tell you a story. Not the shiny social media version, but the real one. This is Anna. She was good at her marketing job, but she felt capped, stuck. So she decided to build those multiple streams. For 2 years, she became a ghost of herself. Anna the employee, given 90% at her day job. Anna the freelance designer, working until midnight. Anna the reseller, packing orders on weekends. She was told this was the hustle, the path to being a girl boss. But the truth, it was harder. She was just working multiple jobs, burning out, and none of them were growing, because she was spread so incredibly thin. The breaking point? A missed family birthday for a side hustle deadline. Sitting in her car that night, she realized this myth was costing her more than money. It was costing her joy, her time, her sanity. So Anna made the scariest and most powerful decision. She quit, not her job, but the myth. She decided to master just one thing, the marketing skills she was already best at. She poured all her extra energy into becoming exceptional, into building a real reputation. And it wasn't overnight, but something happened. After she built that one solid foundation, after she became truly known for her expertise, the opportunities, they found her. Her small blog led to a paid newsletter. Her deep skill led to a consulting role. That reputation led to an online course. These weren't random side hustles. No. They were natural extensions, powerful branches growing from the one tree she took the time to deeply root. The lesson here? Wealth isn't built through fragmentation, but through specialization. True, sustainable multiple streams come after a successful career, after a real standalone business. Those streams, investments, royalties, profits, they are often the result of focused wealth, not the scattered cause of it. So if you're feeling that pressure to do it all, I need you to press pause. Just breathe and ask yourself this one foundational question. What is the single skill, the one project, the one thing I can become absolutely exceptional at? Master that. Build that foundation so solid it becomes an asset, because a strong single stream can create a delta that feeds an entire ecosystem. Don't chase scattered income streams. Build a focused, powerful river first. Trust me, the tributaries will follow. What's your one thing? Share your commitment below. Let's support each other. And if this honest reframe helped, subscribe for more conversations like this.